Hi, my name is Bruce Schattenberg and I'm with Denison Yachting. We're on board the 94-foot Amer Yacht SEA METRI that was built in San Remo, Italy. Very iconic design, beautiful construction. We had the pleasure to take it offshore in high seas today. It was blowing probably 20-25 miles per hour. It was quite rough, very sporty, and the boat handled it amazingly well. The unique design of the hull allows for a very efficient yacht. The boat cruises effortlessly in the mid-20s, very efficient, very quiet, very vibration-free. The Amer 94 was designed from the ground up for the Volvo Penta IPS drive system. They're 900 horsepower each. She's equipped with 3 of these, as well as the modern weight-saving technology that was employed in its construction. Similar to an aircraft, you can be very strong but yet lightweight. This is what gives us such good fuel economy at all ranges of RPM. The builder claims a 20% more fuel efficiency compared to other vessels in its class. In today's walkthrough, we're up on the flying bridge. As you can see, it's an ideal entertaining area. Huge. The condition of the boat is amazing. We'll point out a couple of features for you. Aft on the Flybridge, we have a beautiful lounge area, as well as a nice sunbed, ideal for entertaining. One of my favorite features on the boat, over here on the starboard side, we have an ice maker, a dishwasher, a little sink. One feature that many people love, particularly those coming out of a large center console, is an additional docking station. You can maneuver the boat effortlessly with a joystick with a great view of the side deck here. It's an invaluable tool for close-in dockage. To port, we have a fridge, electric barbecue grill, electric griddle, and additional storage. Making our way forward, we have the upper helm with complete controls, duplicated electronics. The other beautiful feature I like is a retractable sunroof. This will all open up and make a nice sunning area. The beauty is you can have both shaded area or you can open this up and enjoy the sun. From the Flybridge, we've got this beautiful aft deck area. All the woodwork is in excellent shape, very nice quality. This area is ideal for dining back here, for entertaining. You can see the woodwork on the table, very unique, very nice. The furniture is in beautiful condition. The whole boat shows very much like new. Another unique feature is the nice sunbeds aft here. Beautiful view, nice breeze. One other feature I really like, once again from a practical point of view, is you've got your controls, your joystick controls for operating the boat back here in the cockpit, as well as bow thruster controls. Moving from the aft deck to the bow area, the centerpiece here is the beautiful sun lounge. I love the walk around decks on both sides, all the way around 360 degrees. Ideal for line handling, keeping the boat clean, very practical. Beautiful sun pads up here on the bow. These will be used, I'm sure, a lot. You have a nice, very sturdy, heavy-duty anchor windlass together with beautiful stainless steel chain. Moving into the main salon area, the Italians are well known for their beautiful design and craftsmanship of the interior. This boat does not disappoint in any regards. Everything's light and airy. It has a very neutral tone where you could add a little splash of color here and there to really make it your own boat. One feature I really like is the powder room that's on deck. Easy access for when you have guests aboard during a cocktail party or entertaining. They don't need to go down to below deck staterooms. Moving further forward, you have the twin L-shaped facing settees, starboard and port, as well as you have a nice dining area and a large television. Another nice feature is the pocket door where you can close off the galley and have a nice private dining experience. Moving forward on the vessel, on the starboard side is an extremely well equipped and well appointed galley, very efficient size. A lot of very high-end Miele appliances, large refrigerator, and separate freezers. Let's head down below and check out the 3 staterooms. You're on board the master stateroom. You'll notice it's in the center of the yacht, nice and low. This is the most comfortable ride on the whole boat, right in this area. And with the IPS drives all the way aft and 2 more staterooms aft, this area is extremely quiet and vibration free when you're running. This is a master stateroom head, complete with a bidet, shower, and a dual sink vanity. We also have a large walk-in closet on the starboard side. When they designed the yacht, they designed this area for maximum comfort for the guests. Each stateroom is equipped with a king-size berth, separate head, bidets, vanities, and showers, as well as a large double-door closet. Watching the captain operate the boat from the lower helm, you can't help but notice some really cool features. You've got your gear shifts in and out. You've got your joystick controller, which really makes it nice for docking and maneuvering into tight areas, as well as your electronics and access to one beautiful feature is the Seakeeper stabilization. And you'll notice when you see the pictures of the vessel running, the Seakeeper's on, and it really adds stability to the boat in rough weather or even at anchor. It makes a huge difference. When you're underway, it's nice to have an area like this where you can sit up, enjoy the view, and talk with the captain. Moving forward and down, we've got the crew quarters all the way forward with all inside access, as well as the 4th additional stateroom. Down below and forward, the crew quarters are equipped ideally for 3 crew. We have a single cabin to port, as well as a double cabin here to starboard with upper lowers, a nice size head, and a separate stall shower. We're in the 4th stateroom, and this is quite a nice area. It's full beam. One of the nice features is the 2 full-size beds. You have over here on the starboard side, you have a nice head, and it's quite nice size. On the port side here, a unique feature is a standalone shower. Since this stateroom can have multiple guests, it's nice that the restroom and the shower can be occupied separately. Thanks for coming aboard with us today on the Amer 94. If you need more information, please feel free to reach out to one of our Denison brokers and we'd be happy to show you aboard.